In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track habits in Obsidian with the Tracker plugin. Habit tracking in Obsidian works best when your daily notes capture quick checkoffs and a dashboard turns those checkoffs into streaks and stats. We'll set up daily notes, install the Tracker plugin, add a simple habit template, and then build a calendar and summary you can review at a glance. The idea is low friction, one tap to log, clear visuals to stay motivated. Start in Settings under Community Plugins, install and enable the Tracker plugin. In its settings, point Tracker to your daily notes folder and make sure the date format matches your daily note titles. For example, YYYMMDD. While you're there, you can optionally install Callout Manager if you want custom callout styling for your habits. Finally, turn on the Daily Notes Core plugin so you can generate a note for each day. Create or choose a template file for daily notes in the daily notes settings. Inside that template, add a habits callout with checkboxes so you have the same prompts every day. For example, a callout titled Habits with Checkboxes for Writing, Reading, and Exercise. Keep the list short and stable so it's effortless to complete. When you open a day's note, switch to preview mode and tick the boxes you completed. Tracker reads those completed tasks to build your history. Now let's make your dashboard. In a new note or a Canvas card, add a tracker code block for a monthly calendar streak view. Inside that block, include lines like search target, writing search type, task done, dataset name, writing start, date 2025, 0101 month, start week on a mon. That will render a calendar highlighting the days you completed the writing habit. Duplicate this block and change the search target and dataset name to any other habit you're tracking. Next, add a second tracker block for summary stats. Use search target, writing search type, task done start date, 2025 file 250101 summary. Template slash longest streak slash max streak. Days longest break, max breaks. Days current streak slash current streak. Days view the note in preview to see your longest streak, longest break, and where you stand today. Replace writing with any habit name you used in your template. For workflow, consider using Templater to auto-insert your daily template the moment a new daily note is created, so you never forget your checklist. Track 3 to 5 habits max to avoid friction and focus on consistency over intensity. Review your dashboard every quarter to spot streaks and gaps, and use Canvas if you want a multi-habit layout on a single board. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.